Hey folks, have you seen what's happening out there? It's wild. People are freaking out about this election, wars, crazy weather, pandemics, you name it. I've never seen so many people on edge, stocking up on supplies like the world's about to end. Newsweek says Doomsday prepping is a $2.46 billion industry now. That's billion with a B. It used to be this fringe thing, but now it's mainstream. Costco's selling 25-year shelf life food buckets. Even they're like, yo, things might get weird. Listen, I'm not saying the world's ending tomorrow, but it's smart to be prepared. FEMA says 20 million Americans could survive on their own for a month. So today, I'm breaking down the 50 things you need to stockpile to survive anything. Let's get after it. Lose power, you're screwed. Forget your phone, fridge, and lights. You need a generator, not just any generator. A gas-powered beast and a solar setup for backup. You're covered day and night, no matter what. Water's the most important thing. You can last weeks without food, but only days without water. I'm talking a Berkey system. Those things can filter out almost anything, chemicals, bacteria, even viruses. Even with a top-notch filter, think long-term. Rainwater harvesting is key. Set up a system to collect that free sky juice. When taps run dry, you'll thank me. The emergency medical kit. When chaos hits, you can't just call 911. Hospitals could be overwhelmed or inaccessible. You need a serious medical kit. Learn basic first aid, how to suture a wound. You never know what you'll need in a crisis. Rice, the OG survival food. Let's talk food. Need something that lasts, cooks easy, and fills you up? Rice is it. Get a few 25-pound bags of white rice. It'll last for years if stored right. Pasta power carbs are your friend. Like rice, pasta is a prepper's best friend. It's cheap, stores well, and you can make many dishes with it. Stock up on different shapes and sizes. Spaghetti, penne, macaroni, whatever you like. Canned soup. Comfort food for the apocalypse. Canned soup is a lifesaver in a crisis. It's already cooked, easy to store, and there's a flavor for everyone. It provides warmth and comfort when things are tough. Canned veggies. Don't forget your greens. I love a good steak as much as the next guy, but you can't survive on meat alone. You need veggies. Canned vegetables are a great way to get vitamins and minerals when fresh produce is scarce. Fruit salad, canned edition. Fruit's important too, folks. It gives you energy, vitamins, and sweetness in a world that might lack it. Canned fruit is great for long-term storage. Peaches, pears, pineapple, fruit cocktail. Get a good mix. Canned chicken protein powerhouse. Protein is crucial for energy and muscle mass, especially in survival. Canned chicken is a great option, shelf-stable, versatile, and packed with protein. Peanut butter, the gift that keeps on giving. Peanut butter is a prepper classic. It's calorie-dense, protein-rich, and lasts long. Spread it on crackers, dip apples, or eat it straight from the jar. Salt, not just for flavor. Salt's not just for taste, it's a vital electrolyte for body function and essential for preserving food in long-term survival. Sugar energy in a pinch. Sugar gets a bad rap, but in survival it can be a lifesaver. It's a quick energy source and useful for baking and preserving food. Powdered milk movie over, fresh stuff. Fresh milk spoils quickly, but powdered milk lasts for years if stored properly. It's a great source of calcium and vitamin D, and you can use it for drinking, cooking, and baking. Flour power, from bread to biscuits. Flour is essential for any prepper pantry. It's the foundation for bread, biscuits, pancakes, all sorts of comforting foods. Yeast, rising to the occasion. Want fresh bread without grocery stores? You need yeast. It makes bread rise and gives it delicious flavor and texture. Coffee. Because the world needs more awakenings. This one's for all the coffee lovers out there. If you can't imagine a day without your morning cup, stock up, and don't forget a way to brew it. Long-term food prepping for the long haul. Food that lasts for years, even decades. Freeze-dried meals, MREs, survival bars, fallback options when supplies dwindle. Boosting your immune system. In survival, your immune system defends against illness. Stock up on vitamin C, D, and zinc, crucial for immunity. Fire starters spark up your life. Fire is essential for cooking, warmth, and signaling for help. Have multiple ways to start a fire, even if it's wet or windy, and learn to build a fire without them, just in case. Candles. Light up the darkness. When the power goes out, candles provide light and normalcy. Soy candles burn cleaner and longer than paraffin candles. Flashlights and lanterns are essential for navigating your home and property in the dark. And always remember to have extra batteries on hand. If you have a fireplace or wood-burning stove, ensure you have seasoned firewood stored in a dry place. When the power goes out, you lose more than lights. You lose heat. Wool blankets provide excellent insulation, even when wet. Sleeping bags are essential for warmth and comfort outdoors or in an unheated home. Don't forget sleeping pads for extra insulation. It's better to be safe than sorry. Have a firearm you're comfortable with and plenty of ammunition. If you live in a hot climate, fans are essential for staying cool and comfortable during power outages. Also, consider investing in a solar-powered fan for long-term use. Hand sanitizer is crucial for hygiene when soap and water are scarce. Teach your family to use it properly. Remember the toilet paper shortage of 2020? Avoid that by getting a bidet attachment. It's more sustainable and hygienic. Maintaining personal hygiene is crucial for health. Consider biodegradable soap for grid-down situations. Toothpaste. Keep those pearly whites shining. Don't neglect your dental hygiene. Consider a water flosser. It's great for oral hygiene when water is scarce. Razors. Staying sharp. Stock up on razors, shaving cream, and any other grooming products you use regularly to stay prepared. Bleach the cleaning powerhouse. Store it properly in a cool, dark place. When the power goes out, you lose access to television, internet, and cell service. Get a NOAA weather radio to stay informed about storms and emergencies. Batteries power everything from flashlights to medical devices. Consider rechargeable batteries and a solar charger to reduce waste. Get yourself a portable solar charger that can charge phones, tablets, and other small devices efficiently. It's perfect for outdoor adventures and ensures you stay connected wherever you go. Trash bags are essential for waste management, especially in a grid-down situation. Consider biodegradable bags to reduce environmental impact. Tarps have a million uses in a survival situation. Get yourself a few heavy-duty tarps in various sizes and colors. A pocket knife is one of the most versatile tools. Get a quality one and learn to use it safely. Hammer, the tool of 1,000 trades. A hammer is an essential tool for any prepper. Get yourself a solid claw hammer. It's the most versatile type available. Axe chopping through challenges. An axe is essential for chopping wood, clearing brush, and self-defense. Learn how to use it safely. Shovel digging deep. A shovel is essential for digging latrines, burying waste, and even building shelters. And consider getting a smaller trenching shovel for more precise and delicate digging tasks. Get yourself a few pairs of durable work gloves in various materials, such as leather, canvas, and rubber. They will protect your hands. Get yourself a few pairs of wool socks. They provide excellent insulation, even when they get wet. Garden seeds are essential for growing your own food in a long-term survival situation. Learn how to save seeds so you can replant your crops year after year, ensuring sustainability. Canning jars are essential for preserving food from your garden or bulk purchases. Learn to can safely to prevent botulism. Don't forget extra supplies for your pets. Make sure to stock up on pet food, water, medications, and other essential supplies. Cash is king when the grid goes down. When the power goes out, ATMs and credit cards won't work. Small bills are best for bartering. Bibles, food for the soul. Look, not everyone's religious, but in tough times, faith brings comfort. If inclined, have one for each family member. Bug-out bag, ready to roll. Ensure everyone in your family has their own bug-out bag ready. Stay prepared, stay safe. Prepping isn't about being paranoid. It's about being responsible. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stock up on essentials for peace of mind. Start with the basics and work your way up. Stay safe out there, folks.